Have a pleasant day, children. Let me start our today's session with our topic fraction. Introduction. Ravi had two children. He bought pencil for Kabilan and pomegranate for Akilan. He doesn't have pencil. Then Kabilan said, I'll give you pencil, Akilan. He cuts the new pencil into two halves and give to his brother Akilan, and another half he kept with himself. Akilan was very thankful to Kabilan, so he said that he will give him 1/4 or quarter part of the pomegranate to him. Akilan cuts the fruit into two halves and he took one half with him and once again cuts into two equal parts so he can get quarter 1/4 of the part. Now Agilan gave 1/4 of the portion to Kabilan and he kept 3/4 for himself. So out of four equal parts in pomegranate, one part is given to Akilan and the remaining three parts are with Kabilan. Next, we see the exercise problem. Color or shade half portion of the following pictures. We want to color or shade the half portion of the following pictures. So, the ball is divided into two equal parts. So, we have to shade the ball into 1/2 fractional part. Here color or shade the following pictures it is given. So we want to divide the triangle and we want to shade the half portion. Like that square has to divide it and it has been colored in the half portion. Like that this onion is divided into two parts and it is colored. We want to color the half portion. So this figure also has to be divided into two parts and we want to shade the half portion. Tick the picture that represent the semi portion. So we want to tick the picture which are in the semi portion, that means half portion. Here this is in semi portion. This figure is also in semi portion. This figure is also in semi portion. Like that this figure is also in semi portion. So out of these pictures, this top and this figure and this circle and the square are in the semi portion. Write appropriately which represent half, quarter, 3/4. So the first figure represents 3/4, which is half quarter. This represents 1/4, that is quarter. This also represents 1/4, that is also quarter. And this represents 1/2, which is half. So this represents 1/2, which is half. And this represents 1/4, this is quarter. And this represents 1/2, which is half. So here 3/4 is half quarter and then this 1/4 is quarter and this is 1/4, this is also quarter and this figure is quarter and this leaf is divided into two, so it is half, and here the square is also divided into two, so it is half. Able to define fractions. Swati is studying 4th standard. Today is her birthday, so the whole class bought a birthday cake for her. In front of her class teacher and students, Swati cuts her birthday cake. In her class, 19 students and a teacher, so she cuts the cake. Teacher, students Teacher said, students, you bought a cake. Here, a cake is a whole part. Swati is dividing it into 20 equal parts. So, the whole cake is a whole part. So, we are dividing this into 20 equal parts. Okay. So, everybody had a piece. A piece of cake given to one student is 1 out of 20. So we can write it as 1 by 20. So here the number 1 by 20 we call it as a fraction. Here 1 is the numerator and 20 is the denominator. Thus the combination of number like this, now numerator and denominator, is called a fraction. A fraction is how many parts of a whole. Then we can add fraction that is equal to numerator by denominator. Numerator that is equal to collected portion, denominator that is equal to divided portion. Observe the following pictures. See, the circle is divided into 4 equal parts. In this 4 equal parts, one part is shaded. So the shaded portion which is in the fraction part, that is equal to 1 by 4. Division of the whole. Here the circle is divided into 2, which is 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Here the ball is divided into 2, so it is 1 by 2. Here the square is divided into 2, so it is 1 by 2. Here also the triangle is divided into 2, so it is 1 by 2. The whole portion was divided into 2 equal parts. In these 2 parts, one part is colored or shaded. The shaded parts of the fraction that is equal to half. See this part. The whole portion was divided into 3 and 2 has shaded. So the circle is divided into 3 equal parts. Out of this 3, 2 has shaded. The shaded portion of this is 2 by 3. Look at this picture. The circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of this 4, 2 has been shaded. So the fractional part is 2 by 4. Like that, we are having some examples for fractions 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4 and 3 by 8. Write the fractions for the shaded portions of the given figures. We want to write the fraction for the shaded portion of the given figures. Here, which is a circle is divided into 4 parts. Out of this, 1 has been shaded, that is 1 by 4. For this rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts. Out of this, 3 has been shaded, that is 3 by 8. Here the hexagon is divided into 6 equal parts. Out of this, 2 has been shaded, which is 2 by 6. Here this figure is divided into 7 parts. Out of this 7, 3 has been shaded, so it is 3 by 7. In this, the rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts. 2 has been shaded, so that is 2 by 4. Shade the figure according to their fractions. Here 3 by 4. So out of 4 parts, we want to shade 3 parts. Let me shade. So in this 4 equal parts, 3 has been shaded. So in this triangle, 10 equal parts are there. So we want to shade it. Out of 10, we want to shade that 5. Here in 8 equal parts, we want to shade only one part. So that will be 1 by 8. Okay, out of this 6 equal parts, we want to shade only one portion. See the next example. In the first picture, this box is divided into 5 equal parts. 2 has been shaded, so its fraction is 2 by 5. Here in the next picture, 5 boxes are there. 3 has been shaded, so the second picture's fraction is 3 by 5. In other words, we can say this picture, first one is smaller than the second one. So 2 by 5 is smaller than 3 by 5. Circle the greater fractions. Circle the greater fractions. So we want to circle the greater fractions. 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 3. Here 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. Here 2 by 5 is greater than 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. 6 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. 4 by 10 is greater than 3 by 10. 7 by 9 is greater than 2 by 9. Take the smaller fractions. Here this one is the smaller fraction. Here 3 equal parts. 3 parts are shaded out of 4. Here 1 part alone shaded out of 4. Here 1 part alone shaded out of 4. Here 2 parts are shaded out of 4. So which is the wrong one? Here it is the smaller one. So out of 4, here 2 has been shaded. Here 3 is shaded. So we want to put a tick mark here. Thank you, children.